Hey guys, my name is John Davies, and in this lesson we're going to take a look at a few ways in which we can apply the Flam tap rudiment to the drum kit. So if you're unfamiliar with what a Flam tap rudiment is, then I suggest you check out the link of my video lesson in the description below. In this lesson, every single exercise is going to be utilizing flattened flams. Now, I'm not going to go into detail about what flattened flams are. I have got a video on them which is linked in the description below, so please, if you're unsure about what this concept is, then just check the video out and everything will make sense. Let's check out exercise number 1. So in this exercise, all we're going to do is we're going to split our hands between two voices. I'm going to use the floor tom and the snare drum. It's going to look like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. It's going to sound like this. Okay, so let's take the same exercise, and this time instead of playing straight eighth notes, we are going to swing them. So we're going to now play this as a shuffle. Let's check it out. So guys, if you're enjoying the lesson so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. On to the next lesson. Exercise number 2, we're going to place our right hand on the hi-hat. We're going to place our left hand on the snare drum. We're going to try and create a groove here. So the idea is that we're going to be accentuating the snare drum on beats 2 and beats 4, but all the other left-handed notes on the snare drum are going to be played as ghost notes. So let's just jump straight in at 60 beats per minute. Okay, again, we're going to take the same idea now, but we're going to swing it, and we're going to start at 60 beats per minute. Exercise number 3, we're going to use the accenting on toms concept, so that is going to look like this. Flam, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap. Remember guys that throughout all of these exercises we are flattening out the flams, so we're not actually playing flams, we're playing unisons. So let's check out what this sounds like really slowly. Okay, same thing again, but this time we're going to swing it. Exercise number 4 is another groove idea. We're going to keep our left hand on the snare drum. We're going to take our right hand onto the ride cymbal. This time we're going to start the pattern as though we're leading with the left hand. So if we're playing actual flams, it would be starting with a left-handed flam. And what we're going to do is we're going to put an accent on the snare drum on beat 3. All of the other snare drum notes are ghosted. Let's hear what the hand pattern sounds like on its own really slowly. Okay, so just to finish this exercise off, we're going to put our bass drum on beat 1. You might find that's enough, but if you want the added challenge, you can also put the hi-hat with foot on beats 2 and beats 4. We're going to start this at 120 beats per minute. Okay, same thing, but let's swing it. Okay, exercise number 5 is a fill idea. We're going to put our flam tap through triplets. And what we're going to do is, again, we're going to keep our left hand on the snare drum, and we're just going to move our 3-note figures in the right hand around the toms. It's going to look like this. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. So let's just jump straight in at 60 beats per minute. And there we have it, guys. There's 5 different ways in which we can apply the Flam tap rudiment to the drum kit. I really hope you've enjoyed the lesson. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've got any questions or comments, just chuck them in the comment section down below. I've actually really enjoyed making this video, so I really hope you've enjoyed watching it. And I look forward to seeing you on the next lesson. Cheers.